Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Maserati Ghibli S Q4 versus the Ford Mustang GT. We'll dive into their core differences, examining everything from raw power to interior refinement. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle aligns best with your driving preferences and lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed look at these two distinct automotive philosophies. The Maserati Ghibli S Q4 typically boasts a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering around 424 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque, paired with all-wheel drive for confident handling in various conditions. In contrast, the Mustang GT comes with a potent 5.0-liter V8, often producing 460 to 486 horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque, sending power to the rear wheels for a classic muscle car feel. Both offer exhilarating acceleration, but their power delivery and drivetrain philosophies are quite distinct. Stepping inside, the Ghibli S Q4 envelops you in Italian luxury, featuring supple leather upholstery, polished wood or carbon fiber accents, and a focus on refined comfort. Its ride is often described as a balance of sportiness and grand touring comfort. The Mustang GT, while also offering comfortable seating and modern tech like a 13.2-inch touchscreen and customizable digital gauges, prioritizes a more visceral, driver-centric experience with a focus on performance. The Ghibli's all-wheel drive system provides enhanced grip, while the Mustang's rear-wheel drive emphasizes dynamic control. When considering value, the Maserati Ghibli S Q4 generally commands a significantly higher price, reflecting its luxury segment positioning and exclusive Italian craftsmanship. The Ford Mustang GT, on the other hand, offers exceptional performance and a rich heritage at a more attainable price, making it a strong contender for those seeking muscle car thrills without the premium luxury cost. Both offer four-seat practicality, though the Ghibli provides a slightly roomier rear. And hey, for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.